To check out, first of all, if you are not logged into the software, you log into the software with username and password. Click on Checkout on the left side of the screen. Scan the product barcode from your device and the products will automatically be added to the cart. Also, when you add a product, the software offers you two optional options: the most sold item with this product and the most expensive item with this product. You can also add these products to the cart according to the customer's request. Select the payment method and click the Checkout button. In this section, after charging the amount shown on the screen from the customer's card, click on the Card Charged button. Then enter your Authy code and click the Confirm button. After your Authy code is approved, you will complete the sales process by clicking the Done button.